Yo, it's the deal, YouTube. Back with another video. This time, oh, there go my intro. That go hard, ain't it? It's not great, but you feel me? Just start. That ain't too bad. I ain't gonna lie. But so yeah, this time we are going to work on a rug for my fraternity, Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated.
That's Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated online, founded in 1911, 100 years on the motherfucking set.
And let's get into it. As you can see, I already started. I started with the outline just because like that's like the main thing you need to worry about. One of the main things is outline everything that like you plan to fill in. So as you see, I outline the hands, and then I will move forward and outline like the tongue and the nose, and the head, and then I fill everything in. Like that's the easiest way to go about it. You feel me? Like as you see that everything just got. I had to skip forward a little bit. I think my you did get ran out of batteries, so I'm gonna have to get back to it. Yeah, so this is one of the first rugs. Well, this is the first rug that I worked on as far as like D9 fraternity organizations, fraternity sorority organization, you know. But I do plan on doing more of these moving forward. So DM me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever it may. I don't even think you DM me on TikTok. But on anything, and you can leave a comment under this video too after you like and subscribe.
See the motion I'm going through right now? That means this is serious.
Let me know what org you would like me to do a rug for. It don't even gotta be D9, like it can be anything. Yeah, so just let me know. I like to work on new projects. I like to try new things and basically support whoever I can. When I do logos, I like to show my support, do what I can. But yeah, as you can see, this rug is coming along. You know, it's the details. This video located a little bit longer than it needed to be, but like, you get to see the process, so you feel me? Enjoy the ride. I'm gonna let this music play, and we just gonna vibe. Alright, so I started working on the gold. First I filled in the Omega, and then I started filling in the Omega, then I worked to the tongue. I really just be, how I do it, I work on, I guess it depends, but for this one I worked on whatever felt right, if that makes sense. Whatever was the easiest, like not even the easiest, that's whatever I wanted to do for this one specifically. Usually there's an order that I go by. So like when I'm doing a rug, like a logo rug, say I'm doing. Like my last video I did a rug that said only believe. And I started with the letters. So I fill the letters out, obviously they on the inside. And then just, you know, the outside of the background, like the empty space. So I did the letters first, then I did this little eagle, and I did the detail after I did the letters. For the eagle. then I did the background. So like I work my way out from in. I work my way inside out.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But yeah, you feel me? I'm moving down, I'm getting in, moving along. Since we vibe, you know, I'm gonna play a little more music. Oh yeah, before I get back to the music, I just want to say, free Thug, man, free Jeffrey. He ain't even do nothing. Like that, why they messing with Thug? I looked at the digs and there was some stuff from like 2015 and then like, come on, bro. He probably ain't, you know, Thug is saint, bro. Thug ain't never did nothing wrong in his life, bro.
He was wrong.
Like, leave that man alone.
You know, you just gotta have your head on right, man.
But alright. So you see the alright, so look, now we finna put the adhesive on the, not even the adhesive, the carpet. Yeah, carpet adhesive, yeah. I'm tripping. You can find this at like Home Depot. I'll be getting mine from Home Depot, but you can find a couple places. Walmart got them. There was one time I looked at a Walmart, they didn't have it on deck. But like Lowe's, Home Depot type stuff, they usually always got them on hand. Yeah, these are little processes I go through. Just cutting out the excess on the man, I can't talk today. Cutting out the excess on the felt so like it look presentable. And then, you know, you gotta use the sheep shears to shave off the little extra little yarn pieces that pop out the top, just so you know it look cleaner. And this is my first time, I believe, doing this. It's like actually getting in with the details and like getting everything super clean. And after this, I started doing this like every time, cause like you can tell the difference. Like you can really notice when the rug is not detailed. Cause it just look all fuzzy and like everywhere. Like by the end of this, you're gonna be able to see the difference. Like even already, you can see the difference from the ton for sure. Yeah, so I basically did this for the whole piece. It took a while. Like with this, it really takes patience, like time, patience, all of that. I'm not even gonna lie. Just looking at this right now, like damn, well, this joint was hard. Like I low-key snapped on this. Yeah, that joint hard. It's actually on my website. If you know any cues, or if you are a cue, I'm a 5 chapter, the tray tail. comment line, so get up with me whenever. You can DM me on, you can comment down there actually, right below. Or you can DM me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever.
Message!
Alright, all the first, I'm not a YouTuber. I just be making YouTube videos. I'm trying to have fun with this, and I'm trying to like get some exposure. You know, typical YouTube stuff. But I'm trying to get used to it, figure it out. So it helps me to be able to make these free videos for y'all, like about my process, how this all, like how I got started. I'll make a video on how I got started. And then, more rugs and shoes to come. Oh yeah, I customize shoes as well, so I'm start making more videos on that. But yeah, I'm just trying to focus on uploading more content for y'all, so y'all can have something to watch. Even if it ain't something y'all watch, I'll be trying to have some nice music just so y'all can listen to for some of the videos. It's like to vibe to. Whether it's in the background, you look over and I'm like halfway done with a shoe or a rug or something. So like this for y'all. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, all that, share. Everything helps, especially those subscriptions. That way I can, keep making these videos for y'all. And yeah, support. Main thing is support. So appreciate y'all for checking me out. Decently sized video, 10 and a half minutes, not too bad. But if y'all save the whole thing, I appreciate y'all. Look forward to y'all seeing these next few videos I got coming. Peace.
What would 2021 Thug tell 2011 Thug?
You were right.